Wow, this brand has amazing stuff. I am in shock. To the place and I saw a lot of amazing bags here. We have so many different models, and also the bags are made of python and also crocodile. They can be customized. So this is the brand Bianchi and Nardi. It's a brand from Florence, and they use materials such as python, and this is a Milan crocodile. And actually I wanted to start with these bags because they're limited edition bags, and this material you can find only here and also in Hermes. And as I understood, this kind of a crocodile is worn only once in 500, this kind of white crocodile. And these bags, they're literally a masterpiece because this is 18 karat gold, as you can see that they're using right there, and it's such a precious bag. So yeah. This is Simona.
Hi.
Hi. Can you tell us about those hand-painted python bags?
Yeah, new production in Bianchi and Nardi, the hand-painted bags. So Alessandro Fumagalli is the designer and make a new family of lavanda and painted bag. We take only the central part of the python for each bag, so those are so precious. This is again another color, is the water hand-painted bag. The name of this bag is Antonia. Each bag has a name of the part of the family in Bianchi and Nardi. This is a beautiful backpack. It's a daily use bag. So glamour.
Yeah, backpack and a bag. Many purpose.
So it's light, it's new, it's good for the city, for sea, for travel. Nice with the total look black, but also with the colors and colors and colors.
So in Bianchi and Nardi you can customize your own bag, and there's so many options that you can choose from. You can see how many colors. And how is this called, the way it's done? Because
this is the agatato crocodile. We have in our factory in Scandicci in Florence. The agata stone. With the agata stone, the crocodile becomes shiny and very glamour like this. And it's possible also to match the bag as a purse.
as a purse you can match it.
Yeah.